In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a photo from Google Photos on Android. By the end, you will know how to get a cloud photo saved right onto your phone. First, open the Google Photos app. Look for the multicolored pinwheel style icon on your Android home screen or in the app drawer. When the app opens, you should see a grid of your photos and videos, often grouped by date across the top. If you are prompted to sign in to your Google account. Use the same account you normally use for photos so you see the right library. After you sign in, the grid of images will reload and the top of the screen will usually say Photos, confirming you are in the main view. Now open the photo you want to download. Tap once on its thumbnail in the grid. The photo will expand to fill the screen, with a dark background and some controls along the bottom and top. At this point, you can swipe left or right to double-check you chose the exact photo you want to save. Next, tap the More menu in the top right corner. This is the three vertical dots icon. When you tap it, a small menu will slide down from the top right, covering part of the photo. You should see several options listed in plain text, such as details-related items or use as, depending on your version. From there, tap Download, or it might say Save to Device, depending on your app version. As soon as you tap that option, Google Photos starts copying the full quality file from the cloud to your phone storage. You will usually see a brief message along the bottom of the screen confirming that the photo is being saved to the device. After that, wait for the download to complete. On most connections, this only takes a moment. Once it finishes, the confirmation message at the bottom will update or disappear. The photo is now stored in your device local storage, typically inside the Pictures or DCM folder. A helpful thing to know is that you can now find this photo in other gallery apps on your phone, even if you are offline. If you do not see the download option in that More menu, the photo is likely already stored on your device. Google Photos hides the download option in this case. A quick way to confirm is to note that the photo will still open normally, and you can use it in offline apps because the device already has a local copy. You have now learned how to download a cloud-only Google Photos image straight onto your Android phone. If this helped you get your photo back onto your device, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Android tips like this.